Om Namaha Shivaya. Here we are seeing very beautiful miracle, very rarest pearl. This pearl is called as water drop pearl. Pearl formed in the shape of water drop. Like this pearl are very rare to see. By having this pearl, it will remove all negative energy from your place and gives you huge success. It is collected from the conch, the conch pearl. Now I will show under the light to prove its originality. See, you are seeing under the light how beautiful it is. It shows the nature and originality of the pearl. It can be never done artificially like this. Now I will show another pearl. See how beautiful shade it is. This shade comes in only natural pearl. Beautiful. It shows the originality of the pearl. Extremely very rarest water drop conch pearl. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Unbelievable collection. Conch pearl in the shape of water drop. It is very hard to see pearl in the shape of water drop. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.